Apologies ahead of time if this is, particularly out of focus. It's a paramecium hole mount, but I cannot for the life of me get it to get in focus and stay in focus. Yeah, this is about as good as my microscope is. It's not great, but yeah, yeah, see? You can see them somewhat well, and you can, to a point, see them the way that they normally look under a microscope. It's just you really can't. This microscope is not that great, at least in regards to things such as paramecium. But you know, you can still see it, which is good, and you can also kind of tell the parts. Like, I think I can see the nucleus on the one on the right. Although I'm not sure they're supposed to be pink. Not sure what's going on about that. One moment. Okay, but yeah. As you can see, they, that's about as in focus as I can get it, because I don't know which. So these things are tiny, and just the shaking of my hands when I try to do anything really makes it impossible. There we go. See, yeah, it's really not in focus, but there's really... The easiest way I found was take this. Oh, it is in focus. Just go over to the side, see if that's in focus, and then if it isn't, put it in focus, and then go back over here. The problem is you can see through these things, and it makes it really hard to focus them, because it's also kind of inconsistent. But you can kind of see they're it's a hole mount, which it's kind of complicated, but basically I have them split up into hole mount, stained preparations, cross sections, longitudinal sections, squash perforations, and smears. This is from a set of 100 animal and 100 plant slides. So yeah, I have a higher variety over the next little bit. Actually, over the next year, I have 2 years actually. Now that I think about it. Not all of them are paramecium though. There's like your fly antenna, arteries, tongues, like a tongue longitudinal section, artery, elastic cartilage, testicle cross section, artery and vein cross section, rabbit liver cross section, cat hair. You know, you get the idea. But paramecium, I definitely need an improved microscope at some point in the future. But yeah, this is a good starting point. Well, it's the first one on the list. Next one is, I can't read that. Sorry. First one I can read is an ovary. But yeah. I'm gonna probably be shortening the videos to about 5 minutes. Because, I mean, it's not like I'm really doing anything with, I don't think there's any particular reason to drag it on to 10. So yeah, 5-minute videos. But yeah, main problem, like, let me try to get this in focus, but the type of microscope I have makes it very difficult, and I can't improve the microscope because I'm not making any money. Yeah, it's about as good as I'm gonna get it right around there. But yeah, these things are pretty interesting. They're single cell organisms generally found in water. But yeah, it's definitely not getting much detail since, hey, the thing is tiny and my microscope isn't exactly great. So yeah, let's move over a bit, move it around. But yeah, it's paramecium hole mount.